Testosterone injections come in many forms and blends. Two of the most common and popular testosterone esters are testosterone scipionate and testosterone enanthate, both designed to provide a long-acting dose of therapeutic testosterone. While these types of testosterone are effective alone, many hormone clinics utilize testosterone blends to maximize their stability of testosterone levels in the bloodstream during treatment. Tri-blend testosterone is one of the more common forms of combination testosterone injection. What is tri-blend testosterone? Tri-blend is a combination of three forms of testosterone: testosterone scipionate, testosterone enanthate, and testosterone propionate. By combining these three potent testosterone oils, it is possible to smooth the peaks and valleys of serum testosterone associated with each individual treatment in order to provide a more natural, ongoing testosterone balance. This balance offers waves of testosterone, which are similar to the circadian rhythm of testosterone. Often, tri-blend is delivered in an MCT oil base, which provides medium-chain triglycerides associated with dairy, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil to boost the benefits of treatment. Testosterone scipionate profile. Testosterone scipionate is the longest acting of the three testosterone esters in the blend, providing small amounts of testosterone for around 14 days, with most of the hormone metabolized in just over a week, half-life of 8 days. Testosterone scipionate has an 8-ester chain which modulates its release into the bloodstream. While some protocols suggest weekly injections of testosterone scipionate, others fine-tune the metabolism of the treatment with 2 to 3 smaller doses per week. Testosterone makes up 68% of injection weight, ester 32%. Testosterone enanthate profile. Testosterone enanthate is quite similar to testosterone scipionate. Where scipionate has an 8-ester chain, enanthate has a 7-ester chain. This means that testosterone enanthate is absorbed slightly faster. Like testosterone scipionate, testosterone enanthate is often injected weekly, but can be injected multiple times per week in smaller doses. Testosterone enanthate has a shorter half-life of around 4 to 5 days. Testosterone comprises 73% of the weight of the dose, and the rest is ester. Testosterone propionate profile. Testosterone propionate is a short-chain ester with a half-life of 4.5 days. When taken alone, testosterone propionate must be taken every 2 to 3 days to prevent a drop-off in effectiveness and testosterone volume. Unlike testosterone enanthate and scipionate, testosterone propionate levels drop off very rapidly. A testosterone propionate injection has a 93/7 testosterone/ester ratio. Testosterone propionate starts working faster and leads to less water retention. Testosterone tri-blend provides the benefits of scipionate, enanthate, and propionate. As you can see, these three forms of testosterone all release testosterone at unique rates. By harnessing their unique peaks and valleys, it's possible to generate a more natural pace of testosterone release than any of the three can provide alone. If you found this video informative and would like to learn more about testosterone, scipionate, enanthate, propionate, or testosterone replacement therapy in general, please click the link below in the description of this video.